Hello friends, welcome to my channel Daily Tips and Tricks, and today I am going to make cauliflower rice. This is something unique which my mother used to do for us when we were growing up as children and going to office. It used to be either cauliflower rice or brinjal rice or kovaka rice or onion rice. Very tasty and each had a unique recipe. I am sharing the first one. Box. So I have taken half of that cauliflower, cut them into florets. I've taken a big bowl and put the florets in water. I'll soak it for 15 minutes and then strain it. This is a new unique strainer. It's so beautiful. You can just keep it like this on the sink and just pour. Wow, isn't that cool? Yes, now the water has drained. I've put it in this food processor and now I'll just mix it a bit. You can see it has been done so well. I used to be very resistant to all these food processors and I used to do it in our normal grater, but once I came here I've started to love all these things. I've taken 1 cup, less than a cup of rice, basmati long grain, and I'll be soaking it in water for 20 minutes. The spices which I'm going to roast, this is a tablespoon. I've taken 2 of the coriander seeds, 1 urad dal, 1 chana dal, 3 of this, and here my kadhai is already having 1 teaspoon oil, and I'm going to roast this into nice dark brown color. These have been toasted nice dark brown color, and now in the same kadai which is already hot, I've poured a bit of oil. I'm adding mustard seeds to cook the vegetable. Spluttering. Mustard seeds always have to splutter like this, and that will need a good amount of heat. Once that is done, urad dal, little peanuts and a little chana dal. Toast it nicely, and then after that you have here these grated cauliflower which you will be adding. Here you can see these were toasted. I have added the grated cauliflower. Yes, now you can add 1 teaspoon salt and a bit of turmeric, haldi powder, manja pudi. This is really going to turn out to be very delicious, and all the time I think of my dear mother and how she could have really done so much for all of us. Here I have put those dry spices which have been roasted nicely in the blender. The vegetables have been cooked nicely. There's no water at the bottom, no moisture. Just toss these coarsely ground dry spices and just let it cook for 1 more minute, and then you can remove it from the gas or the flame, or I don't know, here we have the electric thing. So, and then that's it. After that the rice will be ready. I'll be just showing you that also. The water is getting ready in this pan and I've already soaked the rice for 15 minutes. I'll be putting that in this. Once you switched off the flame, the gas or the electric, just add half a cup of grated coconut and just mix it, and that's it. This is so beautiful. Here my long grain basmati getting cooked. Aroma. So here I've cooked that basmati rice exactly in boiling water, low flame, 6 minutes, and the grain is just separated. Very beautiful. The pan has cooled, kadai has cooled a bit, the rice has cooled a bit. Just put it in this and mix it gently so that the rice doesn't break. See the long grain, can you just see how beautiful it is? You can garnish this with curry leaves, karoplai, or with coriander, dhania. Just don't be in a hurry to mix it too much. Just very casually. I'm so excited to serve this because it has real flavor and we can eat it along with curd, and you can have topping of little bundi or any savory that you like.
Please press the like button, share with your family and friends, subscribe to our channel Daily Tips and Tricks. Press the bell icon to keep you informed about our new postings. Your comments help us to improve. Thank you.